Welcome to this training session on training colleagues in the workplace. In this session, we will explore the key skills required to effectively train team members, ensuring that they gain the knowledge and competencies needed to excel in their roles. Let's get started. The first step in workplace training is to identify training needs. This involves assessing what skills or knowledge gaps exist and determining how to address them. Here's how you can do this effectively. Observe workplace performance and identify areas for improvement. Gather feedback from employees and supervisors. Clearly communicate the required competencies to trainees and relevant personnel. Identifying training needs ensures that the training provided is relevant and beneficial. Once training needs are identified, the next step is to plan and document the training session. This ensures clarity and effectiveness. Your plan should include clear training objectives with measurable outcomes, a logical sequence of training steps, the selection of appropriate training methods such as lectures, demonstrations, or role play. For example, if you are training a new employee on customer service skills, your plan might include explanation of company policies, demonstration of good customer service interactions, role play exercises to practice responses, feedback and reinforcement. A successful training session requires the right location and resources. Consider the following. Ensure that the location is quiet, safe, and accessible. Gather necessary training materials such as manuals, tools, or digital resources. Arrange any assistance needed for the session. A well-prepared environment enhances the learning experience and keeps trainees engaged. Before starting the training, prepare your trainees by clearly explain the training process, ensuring they understand the goals and expectations, informing them of the time and place for the session. Remember, effective communication is key to a successful training session. Make sure the trainee feels comfortable and ready to learn. Now it's time to conduct the training. Follow these steps. Start with a clear explanation of the task or concept. Demonstrate the skill or process. Allow the trainees to practice under supervision. Provide constructive feedback and reinforcement. Hands-on experience and feedback help reinforce learning and build confidence. After training, it's important to evaluate both the session and the trainee's performance. Ask yourself, did the trainees achieve the training objectives? Were there any challenges or barriers? How well was the information presented? Gather feedback from the trainee to make future training even more effective. Evaluation helps refine training methods and ensures continuous improvement. Training doesn't end after one session. Follow-up ensures that skills are retained and applied correctly. Ways to follow up include observing the trainee's performance over time, offering additional coaching if needed, providing resources for continued learning. Follow-up support helps reinforce learning and fosters ongoing development. By following these steps, you can effectively train colleagues in the workplace. Proper planning, communication, and evaluation ensure that trainees gain the skills they need to succeed. Thank you for joining this session. Keep learning and keep training.